In this video, we'll show you how to use the file upload validation, where Titan will validate the file extension before pushing to Salesforce. And this is awesome because let's say you got .pdf, but someone has changed that to .png and it has virus in it. Now, even though the extension might say .png, we still need to validate it if it actually is a PDF. And you can do that with all the extensions. Really awesome functionality. Let me show you. Let's say we go ahead and create a contact in Salesforce. So we'll keep it simple. We'll get an email, and then we'll get a file upload. So file upload is the most important part here. And then I'm going to get a submit button. All right, something very, very simple like this. Now let's go to, we're going to log into my org. And then meanwhile that's happening, we can go and set up our push. So let's log in here, let's head over here and set up the push. What I'm going to do is create a contact, map my fields, let's do last name, let's do first name, and then let's do email. Okay. And then simultaneously I'm also going to upload a file, and the file is going to be a file upload. Let's do file, set mapping, title, validated, and first publish is there, and then version data is my file upload. So just like that, we'll set up our file upload as well. Now, in order to validate it, this is all you actually need to do. The rest will work normally. You need to click on the file upload, go over to advanced, and check validate extension. Okay, this must be checked. If it's not, it won't work. And now let's give this a test. So let's say we go over to a preview. We will go, let's say I'll do validate test, call it vtest@gmail.com, I'll just call it outlook.com. And then when I go to do file upload, what I want you to notice is this here is actually a PDF, but I've renamed it to JPG. Okay, so this is actually a fake file. It is supposed to be a PDF, but I renamed it to JPG. Just an example. Let's say I put this in here, and then I click submit. When I'm submitting the form, it's submitted, but has it actually pushed the file in, even though the file is actually a PDF, but I've renamed it to JPG in the file extension. So if you go to the integration log, it's created the contact, but what it's done, it's not pushed the file. It's given me an error saying file extension not matched basic pdf.jpg versus PDF. So it's recognized it's a PDF, it's not a JPEG, and it's given me that error. And this is what Titan will do. It will go ahead and actually check if that file is the file that has the extension. So if it's a .mp4, it will validate for you, but if it's a .mp4 renamed as .pdf, it will not push it, and instead it will give you the error in the integration logs. So that's something you need to be mindful of, and also understand that in your submission ID you will not see a file either if you're using the submit button, for obvious reason. If it's an error, we're not going to push it at all. So that's pretty much all there is to it. You will see the entry go in, but there will be no file whatsoever. As you can see, it's blank. So just to recap, go back over to your form, click on file upload, go to advanced, and make sure you check validate extension. And that is it.